Okay, hi Miss Corinne.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Anong gagawin natin?
Hair color, I don't know lang po kung anong tawag. I saved one of your videos, but I'm actually scared.
Oh,
Parang
like
ganito.
caramel blonde.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Parang something like this. Hindi
Oh,
naman masyadong blonde sa hair. Pag
okay.
ganyan.
So, yung inspiration mo, yung galing sa akin,
Yeah.
almost 90% ng hair niya may bleach.
Okay.
So, pag nag-fade siya, mas nagiging blonde.
Okay.
Okay lang sa yung
Yeah,
ganun?
it's fine.
Yeah. Tapos yung second inspiration mo naman, mas darker side yun. Yun nga lang, yung original hair color kasi nila. Kasi nga, Caucasian sila,
Yeah.
more on brown side.
Okay.
So, nung
Is it
nag-fade,
possible that a mix of the two?
middle.
Ganon.
Yeah.
Pwede?
Yeah. Okay, basta something caramel golden blonde.
Okay.
Okay, sige.
Go for it.
So, since magbe-bleach tayo, yung roughness, yung dryness andoon, a lot
Okay.
of treatment lang talaga.
Okay.
So, since nasa blonde side siya, 2 to 3 weeks mas nagiging blonde. Okay lang sa'yo?
Okay lang.
Yeah. Okay po. Sige. And then si Ate Bing, siya yung maglalagay ng color, magmi-mix ng color ako na.
Okay, sure.
Okay? Go Ate Bing. Yan, kamusta po?
So perfect.
Ganda.
Ang
Yeah.
ganda.
Ganda na mag-caramel
Yeah, it
blonde.
complements my skin.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, alagaan mo lang ng mga a lot of treatment, ha? Kasi almost bleach yung hair mo,
Okay.
like 80 to 90%.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Carry po.
Yeah.
Ganda.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sa side ka.
Ang ganda.
Yeah. Tsaka yung roots mo, very melting color.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much.
excited.
Yes.
Thank
See you
you.
soon again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
po.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
thank you.
Sir, thank you
Tanya?
po. Yeah.